Hello there, welcome Genesis Models, my name is Boy Waldron and welcome to the first vlog of December. Now it is December, so we normally have a nice big competition giveaway. So yes, later on in the vlog I'm going to show you all the kits that we're going to be giving away for Christmas. There's going to be a fair few, and then we're going to announce the winners of that around about the 22nd, 23rd, nicely for Christmas. But let's do what we was giving away as our competition prize for last month. If you remember last month's competition, we were giving away this beauty here, the 148 scale USAF F15E. This was by Academy. I've built this kit, a little bit tricky maybe, but still is a good kit to build. So after doing the usual random number generation program and counting down our database, I came to Stephen Wilson. So congratulations to you, Stephen Wilson. You are the winner. All you got to do is give me an email with your mailing address and I'll get this shipped out to you free of charge. Don't worry if you haven't won, because there's loads of prizes coming up later on in this vlog. But let's just jump into Phantom is nicely coming along. Been building this one. We have sort of the past month or so just kind of been going through a lot of filling, sanding, scribing, building, and how to put this together, and it's pretty much there. There's one or two little things to do, but I must say this is so much better than the Hasegawa version of an F4 Phantom. After kind of building it, there's just so much the way it goes together, where so much less join lines to kind of fill, sand and scribe. Right, it goes together really well. It goes together like a glove. So many ways it goes together that would normally, in sort of like say an older, couple of decades old kit, it would be sort of a bit of a pain, but because it fits so nice, it goes together so beautiful. And as well as that, you've got all your ailerons and flaps and all this kind of stuff that just have all sorts of cool poses to them as well. So coming along very nice, very cool, getting close to doing some spraying on this. So that's the F4 Phantom. You might have noticed I am wearing a new attire. We've gone off and got ourselves some new t-shirts in. Hopefully, as you can see, this is kind of like the premium one that I'm kind of wearing. I might put it up for sale in our sort of our merchandise kind of section of the Genesis Models website, but I'm gonna be selling this one. Now this one, a little bit more sort of on the cheaper side. The one I was just wearing, that was like regatta, and it would end up costing something like £25 or something like that for you to kind of buy it. And let me know if you're kind of interested in that. But this is kind of like our sort of standard t-shirt now, which we're going to be selling on the website. It's around about the £15 mark, and they should be going up today to buy. So if you're interested in a bit of merch, go over to Genesis Models website. Do also remember, you guys who support Genesis Models, right, you get up to like 30% off as well. Also, the store had a nice couple of sales put on there, loads of discounts on like all the kits that we sell at Genesis Models as well. So anyone and everyone could come along, and it's around about 10% off that we're just whacking off all the kits that are on there, which does make it very nice and sweet for all you supporting Genesis Models members, because the store is for you guys who support Genesis Models. So because you get like 20% off if you're a fighter pilot. If you're a fighter race, you get 30% off. So I mean, we're talking some pretty nice discounts there when you get, everybody gets 10% off now on the kits. So if you're a fighter ace, got a fighter ace subscription, you're going to get an extra 30% knocked off of that. So it's really, you can't really beat the prices when you have like a fighter ace subscription, and it's pretty damn good when you've got a fighter pilot subscription as well, where you get 20% off. So nice discounts going on there in the store, as well as our new merch. So let's jump into this month Christmas's competition prizes. Let's jump straight in. Now, we did do an inbox review of this already just a couple of days ago, which is the G91R Light Fighter Bomber by Ming Models in 1/72 scale. Not your usual subject. I know the Italians love this, but it is a nice kit, little bit old, but for 1/72 scale you do get a really cool bit of plastic just in there. So this is going to be a competition prize as well. Now we have got a fair few. We're going to be giving away this 1/72 scale, the what is it, the Hawk Typhoon Mark 1B 1/72 scale by Airfix. That's going to be one of the competitions. Ooh. Going to be giving away the Spitfire Mark 1A as well, 148 scale by Eddard. Nice Provi Pack edition. Beautiful, beautiful kit this one is. As well as Tamiya's Fucker Wolf 190 D9 by Tamiya 172nd scale. Again, a nice good old kit just there. But this is going to be our big competition winner. Yes, it's going to be an AH-64E Apache Guardian 135th scale, and this is by Takom. So really nice, big, cool, expensive kit that we're going to be giving away as well. So all those prizes will be announced. The winners will be announced, I think it's like the 22nd, 23rd. Going to do a vlog around about then, just before Christmas. And as always, to be in it, to win it, all you got to do is have an account on the Genesis Models website. Now this can be just a simple ground crew account where you get a free account to access the free side of Genesis Models, and by just having a simple account, registering basically on Genesis Models website, you will be entered in it to win it. But if you're a supporter of Genesis Models and you have, say, a fighter pilot account, you will get your name put in the hat an extra 3 times. If you are a fighter ace, you get your name put in the hat an extra 5 times. So you got more chance of winning as a way of saying thank you for supporting Genesis Models. And basically I'll go off down that database with all those extra names put in and count down the threads using a random number generation program, and whoever wins will be announced on the 22nd, 23rd vlog that we're going to do for Christmas, just in time. And then, you know, just give me your mailing address, your mailing address, and I'll get it all shipped out to you free of charge. So there's all the competitions, the builds and stuff. I have ordered in a whole bunch of new kits. I do believe Airfix has got a new tool coming out, so we'll have a bunch of inbox reviews coming along this month, as well as moving along with Phantom, which hopefully will be well into the spray stage this month also. Other than that, I mean, you know, it's hopefully going to have some happy modelling over the holiday period. Hopefully you're going to love the Christmas and all your new kits and toys that you're going to be playing with and building over the holidays. But as always, until next time, my name's Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.